How to manage connected devices on the Max application. The Max application has the possibility to monitor its content on various devices, so you can connect many devices for one account. However, there is the question of how you can manage these devices. Stay till the end and find out how. Okay, first of all, we will open the Max application. When the application has opened, we need to find the icon of our profile, which is located in the upper right corner of the screen. When we have found it, we will tap on it. All possible settings that we can make on the Max application will open. In this list, we need to find the account option and tap on it. A new page will open where we need to find the devices option and tap on it. All devices connected to our Max account will be listed here. At the very top, there is a button that, if clicked, we can log out of our account from all the devices on the list. You can also notice an X sign next to each device, which when we click on it, we can log out the account from a certain device. That is all. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.